Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enable Ultra Battery Saver in Samsung Galaxy A17. If you're using A17 and I want to turn on Ultra Battery Saver, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your settings and here just go down and look for battery, tap on it and here just select power saving. Once you have selected, so here your simple power saving mode, you can easily enable and disable from here. So here you just have to scroll down and you will get limit apps and home screen in ultra or maximum power saving. So you must have to enable that setting. Once you have enabled, now just enable power saving mode. So you'll get a screen this type. Here you will have to access some apps at your home screen. You can easily add more apps if you want to use, but there are only for limited apps. So now if you want to turn it off, just tap on the three dots, then tap on this turn off power saving option to turn it off. So in this way, you can easily enable Ultra Battery Saver in your Samsung Galaxy A17. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.